In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to edit the Kanban view in Zoho CRM. This process is ideal for anyone looking to tailor their CRM experience to better suit their workflow and business needs. Whether you're managing leads or handling deals, adapting the Kanban view can greatly enhance your efficiency and effectiveness. So, let's get started. First, you'll want to navigate to the module where you'd like to implement changes. This could be something like leads or deals, depending on what you're working with most frequently. After you've opened the appropriate module, direct your attention to the top right corner of your screen. Here, you'll see an icon for the Kanban view. Go ahead and click on that to open up more options. Once you're in the Kanban view, you have a couple of choices. If you're starting fresh and want to create a new Kanban view, select Create Kanban View. Alternatively, if you're interested in modifying an existing setup, click on Kanban View Settings. This flexibility allows you to either build from scratch or tweak what already exists to better support your current goals. Next, you'll encounter a pop-up window that offers a variety of configuration options for your Kanban board. Here, the first thing you'll want to do is give your view a descriptive name. This helps you and your team easily identify the purpose of this specific board at a glance. Moving on, you'll categorize your Kanban by selecting a picklist field. This could be something like lead status if you're working with leads, or deal stage if you're dealing with sales pipelines. Categorizing this way allows each stage of your process to be represented as a column on the board, making it incredibly straightforward to move items through your workflow. Another powerful feature is the option to aggregate data by selecting a numeric or currency field. This means you can display sums right there in each column, giving you quick insights into metrics such as total deal value or the number of opportunities at each stage. You'll also have the opportunity to choose which fields you want to show on each card. This can include elements like titles, tags, or summary fields that are crucial for quick reference and understanding. By selecting the right fields, you ensure that the most relevant information is front and center without having to click into each card. Lastly, you can personalize the visual aspect of your board by selecting a header style. Do you prefer a monocolor scheme for a clean, minimalist look, or perhaps a multicolor approach to add visual differentiation? Choose the style that best aligns with your aesthetic or organizational requirements. Once you've fine-tuned everything to your satisfaction, don't forget the crucial step of saving your configuration to deploy your newly customized Kanban board. And there you have it, a tailored Kanban view in Zoho CRM that's set up to maximize your productivity and streamline your processes. Thanks for tuning in today, and I hope this guide helps you make the most out of your CRM experience.